In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert basic JSON file into Excel format. Let me show you the JSON file. It looks like this. Basically, it is just a list of employees. We have a first name and a last name, and we would like to convert this file into Excel file. I have already created two directories, one for Excel, none of this for JSON. So let's create new transformation. Call it JSON to Excel. Deleting that validator because we have nothing to validate. So our source type is JSON, directory JSON. We have a root node called employees, or the root node. And we're loading data from the file called employees1. Here's our data. So let's copy definition from reader to writer. We need to also set data target type to Excel. Okay, so just create a new file. And all we need to do now is to map the fields. Okay, ready to run. Let's see if it works. So this time it worked. Sometimes it does fail. And let me open Excel file. We have a lot of useful shortcuts. And here's our data. It has no headers because I haven't checked the headers. Let me, what we need? Create header. That's what we need. Run it again. Here we have a header. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Our software is not perfect. Some apply to the documentation. So if you have any questions, please go to support forum, and as usual, we'll do our best to help you. Thank you and bye.